Hey guys, Allan Hilzinger here, and what a beautiful, beautiful day it is here on the Gold Coast. As you can see, I'm off to the golf course very, very soon. And I wanted to share with you guys just a couple of little tips around how you can build greater rapport. And this seems so simple to so many. However, it's something that I'm just seeing is so missing right now in social media. And I'm watching it all the time where people are just cutting and pasting. And their theory is, it's a numbers game, it's a numbers game, it's a numbers game. You know what? I just want to share with you guys something where it is, yes, it's a numbers game, but it's also a quality game. Now, if you times 1,000 by 0, what do you get? 0. So you could send out 1,000 messages, but if they're of 0 quality, you're not going to get anything in return. Whereas if you send out 100 messages at fantastic quality, you're going to get a response and an answer and success that is so much different. So this simple strategy is, the first part of the strategy is to actually go and do your research on your person. And it doesn't take long. So you're about to send a message to somebody, connect with somebody, click on their LinkedIn profile, click on their Facebook profile and see if they've got one, click on their Instagram, just have a quick look around. And I'll guarantee you in this day and age, you will find something interesting about them that you can connect with. Often it's something that you're passionate about. Often it's something you can add value to them with. You know, they may have posted something that you have the answer for, or you may be just able to offer them some extra added value of pointing them in the right direction. So here's the strategy. Go and check them out. Just see a couple of little things about them. It may be they're a network marketer. It may be that they're somebody that loves golf. It may be that they love traveling around the world, and you can talk to them about some of the places that they've recently been. Once you've done that and you connect directly with the person, the goal is to use their name 3 times within that connection. Minimum 2. I suggest 3. Don't do it too many more because it kind of gets over the top. It's like you're continually using their name. If you haven't read one of the most amazing books, which is How to Win Friends and Influence People, age-long book. So many years, it's been such a great book. And it's by Dale Carnegie, How to Win Friends and Influence People. And he talks about how a person's name to them is the most important thing to them. I think he says it's the sweetest thing to their ears. So what you want to do is within that first connection, you want to use their name at the start in the language that you use. So if it's hi Allan or hey Allan, whatever it happens to be, then use their name at the very start. Use it 2 or 3 times within that first paragraph or whatever you are sending them, and use your connection point. I saw that you're a network marketer, or I saw that you love travel. Whatever it happens to be, put a connection point in there and build the rapport. I absolutely promise you, this may seem so simple. However, if you are somebody that has been using regular cut and paste, I will guarantee you that you doing that, no matter how many you are sending out, the quality that you are dropping by doing that is not going to help you grow your network marketing business to the level that you so desire. If you just slow down that little bit to do your research, still get the numbers out there, however, make them a whole lot more quality conversations, or greater quality conversations, will completely change the game for you, will completely change how the conversations evolve, will completely change how many people want to be a part of your community and your network. Simple strategy, however, guarantee it works. Let me know what your feedback is, guys. When you're using this, let me know. Always love connecting with other people that are in the network marketing industry, struggling or succeeding, either or, it doesn't matter. Or if you're looking to join the network marketing industry, I'd love to hear from you guys. Have an amazing day. See you guys.